Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Yubo Chat, Play, Make Friends app. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Play Store. Now in the search bar, type in Yubo App and perform your search. Tap on the Yubo application. Then tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. It will take a while to download this app. Once the app is installed, tap on the open button to launch the app. And this is how you can download Yubo Chat, Play, Make Friends app. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.